Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn electrical engineering today, the Rheostat, and after we've done what we're going to do shoulder impingement training. And if you participate in the shoulder impingement training, then is relativ omsk. The Rheostat. Most school laboratories use rheostats, mainly as a form of variable resistor. Pupils frequently ask why there are 3 terminals when only 2 are being used. Sometimes they use the wrong pair of terminals when putting a rheostat into an Ohm's law circuit. Now study the following circuit diagram and photograph. Figure 10. You will see at once that all 3 terminals on the rheostat are in use. If I would know where the terminals are, or what the terminals are. Some type of terminals are in use, 3 of them. You will see at once that all 3 terminals on the rheostat are in use. Suppose in the diagram, the battery of 4 cells set up a potential difference of 8 volts across the ends of a wire coil. I still don't know what a wire coil is. Is it a wire, the cable? By using the slider as shown. What slider? A part of this potential difference only can be used to light the 6-volt lamp. Okay, I see the lamp. There's the lamp. And for which 8 volts would be too big. By using the slider as shown, a part of this potential difference only can be used to light the 6-volt lamp, and for which 8 volts would be too big. So there's a resistor and it should take away 2 volts, so that it gets at 6 instead of 8. The available potential difference has been divided into 2 parts, one of which is suitable for the particular purpose involved. Such a device is called a potential divider. Sometimes a potentiometer, and you will find numerous practical uses for this circuit arrangement, as for example a volume control in a radio receiver. You will find numerous practical uses for this circuit arrangement. What circuit arrangement? As for example a volume control in a radio receiver. The volume control, that is how loud the thing is. And it gets louder when more, let's assume it, when more current comes onto it. And the potential divider of a potentiometer is taking sound so much away, so the volume is low. Is volume just about power? So that means if the thing that plays the music is playing louder music, it needs more power. It would make sense. Okay, how about we just read it again? Just to read it. Most school laboratories use rheostats, mainly as a form of variable resistor. Okay, it's a resistor which can be variable. Pupils frequently ask why there are 3 terminals when only 2 are being used. Sometimes they use the wrong pair of terminals when putting a rheostat into an Ohm's law circuit. Where are the 3? Well, now study the following circuit diagram and photograph. Okay, there's a finger down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the lamp and the... Okay. You will see at once that all 3 terminals on the rheostat are in use. Suppose in the diagram, the battery of 4 cells is set up... Oh, that's why there are 4. So these 4 batteries are setting up a potential difference of 8 volts across the ends of the wire coil. By using the slider is shown, a part of this potential difference only can be used to light the 6-volt lamp, for which 8 volts would be too big. The available potential difference has been divided into 2 parts, one of which is suitable for the particular purpose involved. Such a device is called a potential divider. Is the potential divider more powerful? It is at least more adjustable. But imagine if it's more powerful. If a fixed resistor has 2 ohms, what is it even doing with the current? What is happening to the current when it goes into a cable which we had here with Constantan has a resistance of 0.3 per meter or something. Where is it going? No, the question is it more powerful? Is it been able to turn it way more up? Even, how can it be turned up? How is that even happening? Because it is divided. This is just brought into something else. So maybe it is like that. They have it because they see that big bar or whatever it is. They are getting all the current, and they are saying, and you can make onto the regulator how much current should go into that big piece of wood or whatever. And if you put it very high, then a lot of current comes into that wood, and it just goes away because that, what is it even called? That transports the current very bad, and only how much as you want goes into the regulation. That way, it is not only more adjustable, but technically you could make it very, very strong. You make just with one resistor, you can bring it up into 1000 ohm or something. Such a device is called a potential divider. Sometimes a potentiometer, and you will find numerous practical uses for this circuit arrangement, as for example, a volume control and a radio receiver. And the current is run away. Is it the possibility that the current is not used instead of putting it away, or is it happening? Okay, we heard something about the rheostat. Resistance stadiometer? Oh, about rheostat. We heard something about it, we didn't really understand it. But we heard something about rheostat, and there are potentiometer and potential difference divider. And with them, the potential difference which a resistor is doing can be set it up or down or whatever. And now if it's coming too much, you can just say that lamp does want only 6, and you can give it also 12 or 100 or 1000 or whatever, and you can turn it down. And the volume thing on the radio should work the same way. You just give more electricity on the speaker or whatever. Now that was the electrical engineering part. If you go here for electrical engineering, you can go directly to the next part of electrical engineering. If you stay and participate in the short impingement training, then it's very honest. Good and simple stance, and we're doing short circuits. Back out back. Front and down and again. And backwards and front. Again, front. Long arms, strong fists. Go as far back as you can with the shoulders. High up. Front. And down. Back. Up. Front. Down. And up. Down. Front. Up. Back. Down. And the next exercise. Next body part. We're going a bit into the knees. Hinge forward. Make a straight leg. Let the arms hang and pinch the scapulas together, the accelerating motorcycles. Make fists and lift the arms up instead. Pinch the scapulas together. Let the arms down and the shoulders. And another round into the knees. Hinge forward with a straight back. Let the arms hang and pinch the scapulas together. Make fists, lift the arms up instead. Pinch the scapulas together. Arms down, shoulders down. And now, the ski jumper into the knees. Forward with time with a round back, let the arms hang, make fists, turn the arms to the inside, lift the arms side up and bring them together. Straighten up, bring the shoulders down and go. So now the arms side up. And shoulders down and together. Arms side up and together, shoulders down and together. And release. And again. Into the knees, hinge forward, with a round back, let the arms hang, make fists, turn the arms to the inside, lift the arms side up and bring them together. Straighten up, bring your shoulders down together. So the arms side up, shoulders down and together. Release. Now lift the arms up. And lift them just down again. If this exercise causes pain, then don't do it. Arms to the side. And a bit up. And now. We will lift up. Good and simple stance. Long arms with strong fist, shoulders down, together. Turn the arms to the inside, shoulders down, back together. Arms to the outside, shoulders down, together. Arms to the inside, shoulders down and together. Arms to the outside, shoulders down together. And release. Now the arms to the rear side, a bit to the front, so the arms to the front, shoulders down together. Arms back, shoulders up, arms in front, shoulders back, together. Arms last side back, shoulders up, and release. Now shrug. Lift the arms up, shoulders up, and let it all down again. And again, arms up. Next exercise. We have pretzel curl. Arms together, down and to the inside. And already the last exercise, the sun dive. You can use a sock or something else. Ever a little bit longer on the outside. Let's fall down. Try to catch it again. And on the other side. Let it fall down. And try to catch it again. Now we're stretching the elephant trunk. One arm in, shoulders back and down. Pull the arm in, have flat fingers, try to relax the arm. Go back with the shoulder, turn the palm up to the sky. Go back with the shoulder down, pull the arm in, go back with the shoulder, relax the arm, turn the palm up to the sky, relax. Back with the shoulder, pull in, relax. Back with the shoulder, pull in, relax, palm up to the sky. Arm front, shoulders back and down. Pull the arm in, have flat fingers, try to relax the arm. Turn the palm up to the sky, go back with the shoulder. Relax the arm, pull the arm in, relax, go back with the shoulder, relax, turn the palm up to the sky, relax. Pull the arm in, relax, go back with the shoulder, pull the arm in, relax. And that was my arm stretching. So that was my shoulder pinch training. I thank you very much and until the next time.